The Smith family is renovating a few aspects of their home. The following diagram is of a new kitchen countertop. Approximately how many square feet of counter space is there? So we're going to start with these quarter circles. And 2 quarter circles makes a half of a circle. So we need a half. And then we want radius squared times pi for a circle. But this one has a radius of 7. So that'll take care of both of these pieces here. Then we need to find this rectangle. It is a 7 tall and 18 wide rectangle. So we're going to add on a 7 by 18. Then we're going to do another rectangle. This one is 20 tall. And we have to figure out how wide it is. This piece right here is 18. And this piece is 7, and this piece is 7. So adding those all together will give you how wide that rectangle is. Figure that one out right now. And that should come out to 32. Then I can find the area of this piece here, because this one is also 32 wide, but based on this piece over here, it should be 16 tall. So we're going to add a 32 by 16 also. Then I want to add the 16 by 50 for this part of the counter. But I also want to remove the sink because I'm not going to cover that with any counter space. So I'm going to subtract a 16 by 17 piece because it's 17 wide and 16 tall. When you do that, that'll give you your final answer. Make sure you show your steps, and then when you get all of it written out for your steps, you can punch it in the calculator to find your final answer. You might want to round because you're going to have the pi in there. Give at least 2 decimal spots, but 3 is probably better. These are measured in inches, so your final answer for the area of the countertop should be measured in inches squared. You fill in that answer